industry like textile apparel, which is is essentially MSME driven and holds key to basically employment generation. Like I would like to share a data. I think some of you may not be aware how much employment generation capacity this particular industry has. There is a very interesting case study that I think $2.4 million of investment in a high-tech company like Reliance generates only employment of 5 persons. But the same amount of investment generates almost 1250 people employment generates. So it's almost 250 times. So the employment generation capacity, I think, is humongous in this particular sector, and that's why it holds key to to India not moving from what you call a demographic dividend to demographic disaster. This is what it holds key. So I believe now every country has its moment of opportunity. The time for India has come. We have the demography, we have the digital connectivity, we have excellent infrastructure now, and the commitment from the government. So I think it is about time that we make the most of it, and the ecosystem that I think we have been able to build, I think it's an opportunity like never before, and we must see this opportunity with both hands. Thank you so much.